What is up? What's going on, everybody? I hope everybody's having a great day. Let's talk about Bitcoin today, guys. Let's talk about why this thing's pumping. Let's talk about whether or not this thing's going to last. Let's talk about how we got to where we got to this week, guys. So I'm trying to break it down for you guys in a short video and really try to shed some light on where we are and whether or not I think this thing will stick, guys. But let's take care of some house cleaning. Go ahead, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that share button, guy. Let's kick us up in the old algorithm. Let's do this thing, man. So, what is going on with Bitcoin this week that we went on this massive run? Well, guess what? There's been positive news about Bitcoin ETFs, right? Couple quick news articles here. JP Morgan expects multiple spot Bitcoin ETFs to be approved within months, guys. So that's real quick here. And then you have Coinbase following that up. The Coinbase confirms that a spot Bitcoin ETF will be approved by SEC. So you have that. And then you have BlackRock, who did a little bit of an adjustment to their spot Bitcoin ETF, resubmitted it. And Larry Fink, the CEO over there at BlackRock, is expecting multiple Bitcoin ETFs to be approved as well. He came out and said that this week. And Janet Yellen also came out this week and said that she thinks that the market can handle multiple spot Bitcoin ETFs, guys. So that's all great news. And then to follow that up, you have the Grayscale win in court, where they're going to be transitioning their Grayscale trust over to a spot Bitcoin ETF as well. And the SEC did not appeal that decision, which means that they will be approving that transition. So all this is leading up to these spot Bitcoin ETFs being approved at some point soon here. And that's what's definitely pushing this price up. This positive movement, this positive sentiment. Let's go ahead. We're on the hourly chart for Bitcoin over here right now. You can see um, where we were at over here. And you can see this, steady rise up as the news started to come out and the day started to move. You could see this move up, complete run here, guys. We're Bitcoin actually cracked $30,000 today, but has since come down to around 29,900 and around $57, somewhere in there. You can see over the last hour, 1, 2, 3, 4, about 4 hours, it's minted red candles. So definitely there's some pullback going on at that 30,000 level. I don't think that we're going to get much past this $30,000 level. I think we're going to get smacked down off of that level for a little while. So do I think this run will last? I think you have to define what you think is a run. A run up to 30,000. I think we can hang around that 28 to $30,000 range for a little while. I think it's going to take actual movement and actual approvals to get us above that 30,000 and stay above that 30,000. We may touch above it a little bit, but we're definitely going to come back down off of that because there's nothing to back that up. There's no positive. There's no date of a spot Bitcoin ETF being approved by the SEC. None of that news that would actually make that push up above that $30,000 level. But guess what? We teetered around that $25,000 level for a long time. We rolled that thing out for a while. So if you we can come over here and we can probably have a look here at the day chart, and you're gonna see that. If you look at the day chart here, you're gonna see, we teetered, right around right around this level here, which was right around that 25 level right here, 25 to 27 level here for a long time. And then we made this run up right here. This is that run up. You see little consolidation here before that next run up, but definitely looking for that 30,000. You can see we've been smacked off of that 30,000 for a while now. So that's why I'm saying that we're not going to make it above that 30,000. You pull this thing out a little bit, you can see that $30,000 level is really a tough level for us to get above. But I think once we get the final approval for that spot Bitcoin ETF, and I believe that they're going to approve multiples at once. And I believe that once that happens, you're going to see this thing go above 30,000, and 30,000 will probably be the new floor. So that's my take on it. That's why we're running, guys. But you know what? Make sure you're taking your profits in this run too. If you know you can't get above 30, right now and sustain it, make sure you're taking your profits, or just keep or adding to your bag, whichever way you're playing it. I'm not taking any profits. I'm actually just adding. I think Bitcoin's going to go on a massive run when these things are these spot Bitcoin ETFs are approved. So I'm just adding, but that's my strategy. But if you're up a lot and you want to take profits, take your profits, man. So with that, go ahead and like this, subscribe to this channel, like the stream, subscribe to this channel, share this thing out, and we'll keep you guys up to date on what's going on. Appreciate every single one of you guys. You guys have a great day, and we'll be back at you guys with the next one. Thank you. Bye.